Today we're driving through the White Mountain National Forest in New Hampshire. It has been an absolutely beautiful drive so far, and the leaves have been bringing it since we crossed over into New Hampshire. I mean, it was probably like a 5-minute journey from Vermont to now where we're at in New Hampshire, and there's just crazy fall colors everywhere. It's basically the reason we came out here. We did pass the Mount Washington Auto Road, which is the road you can take up to the top of Mount Washington. We are not going to do that today. It's a little overcast, but we definitely want to keep that on the list for next time we're here. They have like crazy weather up there, and the highest wind ever recorded was up on top of Mount Washington. So we know we're going to be back to New Hampshire because we've been loving it so far. So sometimes you just have to leave something to come back to.
We're in the White Mountain National Forest right outside Mount Washington. I actually think that's that behind me. We've been trying to find pancakes all across New England, and we finally found them. And they're such a great setting, and the thing is we had to get them to go so we could sit on the deck and have Howie with us.
And look at that view.
I got my pancakes with blueberry compote. Blueberries are a big deal in the Northeast. They grow a lot of them. And we have we have New Hampshire maple syrup. And this is a big moment right here. Oh, look at that.
Wow.
That's is gorgeous. I don't want to waste any time. Nobody needs to waste time to eat pancakes. Howie would very much like some pancakes. Notch Grille, New Hampshire pancakes, blueberry compote, New Hampshire maple syrup. Oh, that is certainly a step up from a chain pancake house that will not be named. Those are very good. They're light and fluffy. The blueberry compote is amazing.
I got the brioche French toast. Figured go a little different than pancakes, but it's all about the syrup delivery system. That's just wrapping me up in like a big fall bear hug. Delicious, sugary carbs. Beautiful, fire red trees. I'm in the spirit.
We absolutely devoured that breakfast here at the Notch Grille. The pancakes, the blueberry compote, the French toast were all incredible. It should be called Top Notch Grille because that's how good it was. And that view, I think I could eat all 3 meals here today.
Well, we are enjoying our morning here in New Hampshire. Just such a beautiful view, beautiful setting. Really, this is what we came out here for, and we are getting that full fall foliage feeling that we wanted. It's turning out to be a really nice day, even though it is a little overcast. The sun is peeking through a little bit, so we are going to find a place to get out, hike a little bit, and just take in the fall colors. So right now we are in Crawford Notch State Park in the White Mountain National Forest region. And there's a lot of places you can pull off and hike and explore. And so we just decided to take one and go for a little hike, get out in the woods a little bit. It's so beautiful here. This drive has been incredible. So now we just kind of want to get out and explore it a little bit more. Well, we had a great time driving around and exploring White Mountain National Forest. It is a beautiful area and really such a surprise hit. I have never been to New Hampshire before, and it's absolutely beautiful. The fall colors have been the best we've had on the trip so far. And now we're gonna head into Conway and we are going to grab a quick lunch. I don't know how I could possibly eat after the huge breakfast that we had, but somehow I'm hungry again. Right now we're having trouble finding a place to get lunch. A lot of places are closed, a lot of places are busy, or they don't allow dogs. Sometimes you just have to pivot and improvise, so we're gonna figure something out.
We're now sitting at the base of the Black Mountain here in White Mountain National Forest. We're in the town of Lincoln, and we're at Black Mountain Burger Company outside, ready to have some burgers. I have. Mine is this dog-friendly patio, by the way. Oh, thank you. It's actually his birthday, so yeah, he might get a little burger. Actually, he might get a little bacon. Yeah. Oh, I think you like that. So, oh my goodness. I'm getting a burger that's stuffed between 2 grilled cheeses, and I added bacon to that, so really looking forward to that. Madeline is getting a mushroom and Swiss burger, and we're starting off with some maple sriracha wings. So, tasty little spot here in Lincoln, New Hampshire, and we're looking forward for our food coming out. So these are the maple sriracha wings. You can smell the maple. We've been surrounded by maple for the last couple days, and I'm just gonna believe that this maple came from one of those farms. But I don't think they grew the sriracha here. That's a tasty wing. That's a good combination. Maple sriracha, I can remember that one. Okay, here it is. The long rumored.
Oh my god, you're not, it's too big.
We're gonna try it though. So it's a medium rare burger. I think I'm honestly going to take the grilled cheeses apart and make it a grilled cheeseburger with just 2 slices of bread.
Like a patty melt.
Yeah, because you're biting through a lot of bread. But
It's fun.
it's fun and there's a lot of taste in there.
I got a mushroom Swiss burger, has caramelized onions on it. Not quite as exciting as a grilled cheeseburger, but looks good. This is the first of many chowders we will be having while we're in New England. The corn chowder called my name because I thought we're in chowder country now.
Burgers were just too big.
If you want to see more from New England, click right here. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.